Now we're going to move into the Copacetic Chair Dance. And I'm going to tell you something. My students hate this piece of choreography. And the reason why is because tap dancing sitting down is very different than tap dancing standing up. And you use a lot of muscles when you're sitting that you don't use when you're standing. And so my students come out of class and they are sore and they are feeling it, which seems weird because you've been sitting most of the class. So as you're working on this and learning it, I recommend on occasion taking a break, standing up, maybe wiggling a little bit, stretching a little bit. You'll feel it in your hips and your quads and those thighs quite a bit. So give yourself a break every now and then and stretch out those muscles that you're using. Okay, as I mentioned before, the Copacetic Chair Dance is basically a seated version of the BS chorus. So you are going to find there are a lot of similarities with the routine you've already learned and what we are doing here in a seated position. The very beginning of it, there's a little introduction, and when you hear that music play, you are then going to do stamp, clap, stamp, clap, stamp, clap. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, stamp, clap, stamp, clap, stamp, clap. From here, we are doing the time step section of the Copacetic Chair Dance. You're going to stamp that right foot to the front, step on the left foot, bring the right foot back, and do some steps. Actually, it's stamp, step, 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 step. Then you're going to do it on the left side. Stamp, step, 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 step. You do it again. Stamp, step, 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 stamp, step, step, step. Again, we go stamp, step, 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 stamp, step, 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 step. You're going to do a total of 4 sets. We are just going to fill the whole phrase of music with just that. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 2, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 3, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 4, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, if you were performing this, I would have you doing arms. And the arms I would have you do, if you want to try them, when you stamp that right foot forward, the left arm goes low and the right arm goes high. So you go 1, 2, bring them in. Then the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2. Okay. Going back to the stamp clap during the intro, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 2, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 3, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 4, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's do that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 2, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 3, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 4, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 2, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 3, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 4, 2,